Damn, I'm just starting to
L won't even get in the video.